Brighter days for Sharwayne Lennon. Days after Sharwayne Lennon's heart-wrenching story of poverty and despair was highlighted, the teenager was on Monday, February 26th, reunited with an aunt, Sharwayne, who lives in Clarendon. He also learned that he has a twin sister who also lives with the aunt.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
When we go see the this week, we realize that him and his sister are twin, them born the same day and year to the same parents. So that is when we discovered that they are twins, she said. The Child Development Agency CDA office in Clarendon refused to comment on the development. 2 days after the aunt went to Mount Moses in northwest Clarendon to retrieve the boy. The CDA's head office in Kingston did not respond to queries in relation to the matter either. Him did live with me and him father come and take him away. I had no idea where he was until me see him in the paper. As somebody even tell me say is the house where him did born him there. So me met the CD accompany me for him and release him in my custody again, Sharwayne said. On Friday, February 23rd, the story was published of Sharwayne's desperate call for help after he was visited at his home. The slippers on his feet were his only pair and he barely has clothes. Sharwayne's dwelling was located on top of a steep hill. It was a broken down hut which was surrounded by debris. His bed was a piece of sponge that lay on the dirt floor. He was unsure of his age and neighbors estimated that he could be between the ages of 16 and 19. Sharwayne, who is currently unemployed, said she is also the guardian of Lennon's two other siblings. Me nah go stop try with them, and me really hope he will continue to get little help until I can manage fully to take care of them on my own. Me would really want to build a room for him on the house, she said. Sharwayne has been receiving tokens of goodwill since his story was published. He said that he is grateful to all the persons who have reached out to offer their assistance. I am very happy where I am because I can sleep comfortably and my aunt always tries her best with me. I just want to go back to school and make something of my life. I thank everyone for their help, even to those who just call to tell me not to give up, he said. Sharwayne and his aunt can be contacted at 831-0137.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.